Recently, my hard drive crashed, all because this little interface chip overheated and fried itself. I got it working, but I decided to add ventilation so it never overheats again. I started by removing the fried interface chip and then moved to the garage to start modifying the housing. I had this mini USB powered fan laying around, and that's what I'm going to try to attach to the housing. I made some marks for the mounting screws, and then I marked holes to drill for ventilation. Next, I moved to the drill press and started making those holes. Then I used a Dremel and a wire brush to deburr the sharp edges on the holes I just drilled. Then I had to get rid of the sharp edges on the inside as well. Next, I'm going to modify the front of the housing to make room for the SATA to USB adapter that's replacing the original chip. I did this by using an oscillating multi-tool, which made it pretty easy to cut through it all. Then I just did a quick test fit. Next up was drilling holes for screws that'll mount the fan to the housing. Then I used a tapping bit to make nice threads for the screws to hold onto. Now I can screw the fan into place. I was a little worried the holes weren't going to line up, but it worked out just perfect. Then I moved on to drilling some holes in the top and the bottom of the housing for ventilation. I moved back to my studio to finally put everything back together. The drive slides perfectly into place, and I screw it back into the housing. I put the original rubber bumper back on and cut slits for ventilation and for the SATA adapter to plug right into place. It looks pretty ridiculous, but it's time to test it out. I plug everything in, the fan spools up, the adapter looks like it's reading, and Gary lives another day. I'm no expert on fixing electronics, but I wanted to have some fun making this Franken drive. Let me know if I should have done something different, and be sure to follow for more content about audiovisual stuff.